this is part 2 of the how to prepare a numeroscope. So let's begin. So friends, each line or these lines, they represent one thing or the another. These lines can show our personality traits, our strengths, and also they can show our weakness. This will depend on the numbers that may be present, absent, or repetitive in your date of birth and as shown in the chart. According to the name given to these lines, we can understand where our strength lies and where our weaknesses lie. Friends, let me tell you in detail about the vertical, the horizontal and the diagonal planes. Let's start with the vertical planes. Now in the first plane you have numbers 4, 3 and 8. If you have all these three numbers present in your chart, then it means you have a very strong thought process. You think out of the box. So normally you people are disciplined, organized, and you have a very strong sense of visualization. So people with 438 line, their thought plane is very strong. Friends, next we'll take the middle plane, that is number 951. Now those of us who are born in the last century, we have 1 and 9 common. 1901 to 1999. You will notice 1 and 9 is common. So this is not going to make much of a difference. But the game changer here is the presence of number 5. Now why? Why does number 5 make the difference? Because this number 5 becomes the life and soul of this chart. So if 9, 5 and 1, if all the three numbers are present in this plane, then we can say their willpower is very strong. These people are fighters and they have the capacity to bounce back from any situation. They have a resilient nature. Whatever may be the problems, whether it's emotional, physical or any other relationship problems, whatever it may be the situation, they will fight back. Their one thing is that they want to reach the top, and whatever obstacles come in their way, they will definitely overcome them. It may be difficult for them, they may fall, but they will rise. They will fall and rise again, but they will reach their goal. And this is also known as a success line. It is also one of the Raj Yogas. You never be able to understand or read the face of such people. Whatever may be the situation, good or bad, their face will be just the same. Their face never reveals the trouble they are going through, the difficulties they are facing. Whether they are happy or sad, they have a same poker face. They don't want to be distracted from their purpose and their goal. The leadership qualities come from the sun. The best communication skills of these people come from Mercury. And the aggressive power within them, that aggression to do something, to achieve something, it comes from Mars. That's why they are always on the top. You will find many business people in our country and in the world who have this number and they have made it. Friends, the third vertical line is number 276. This is known as the action plane. These are persons who are action oriented. Once a decision is taken, they will definitely act on it. Once the mind is made, project will not be delayed. Whether the decision is right or wrong, it will be taken. These people can be hasty and rash also. So they have to be very careful when they take a decision. These are not procrastinators. They believe in action only. That's why they make even good sports persons. These people derive their intuition from the moon, wisdom from Ketu, and the support of family and friends through Venus. So that's all for this vertical line.